Like any girl, I have had a ton of purses in my life, and when I find a great one, I want to tell everyone about it. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this gorgeous blue hobo bag from Montana West has me singing its praises to everyone I meet. This bag comes in several different colors. I chose the jean blue color because I wanted something a little different, but would still go with a lot of different outfits, and I got exactly what I wanted. It doesn't matter whether I'm going out for date night or looking casual for errands, I don't have to worry about changing out my bag. I was impressed by its capacity. I was able to hold everything that I needed, and it also fit my tablet inside. It has several different compartments to keep everything nice and organized, and I was able to easily find everything that I needed. I absolutely love the material that it's made out of. I've owned many Montana West bags before, and they last for an extremely long time. I also love that I could wear this as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, or just as a top handle bag. So if you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and durable bag, then I think you're going to love this bag from Montana West, and that's my point of view.